Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a good day. I'm so glad you're here because I am participating in another hashtag Mini Moo Card Monday. Yes, I think I'm addicted to these little cards. They're so cute and so fun and so quick and easy to make some. So if you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend it because it's so much fun. So this week, my little mini moo cards are going to be recipe or cookbook themed. So since I'm working on the cookbooks I'm working on, I thought it would be fun to make some cookbook related ones, and the cookbook journals. And so I picked out a couple of recipe cards, and these were papery. Here's the balance of one here. See, it's very papery one. Most of them are not papery like this, but I was just looking for a recipe card with some printed, like a printed recipe on it like this, kind of like typed or, just text like this. So I picked out two here and glued them down to some cardstock. I've got this kind of light craft colored cardstock on the back for sturdiness, and I always like to put writing room on the back of my tags. So these can be tags, they can be embellishments if you've never heard of them. I heard Aaliyah and Lolly say that they were originated with business cards and then came and traveled over into the junk journal world, and now they're kind of like little tags or whatever you want them to be. But yeah, I think these are super cute. I already got them ready and cut here. They're 1.1 inches wide, and the official length is 2.75 inches long, but I make mine 3 inches long. So I have my recipe kind of on here, my recipe text. Really cute. You've got the ingredients and then the instructions and some words. So what I thought I would use is just some of these little cookbook, recipe, food related stickers, whichever ones might fit on here. Here's a cute little gingerbread. He's calling my name. So let's start with him. So that all my stickers, stickers and washi tape. I usually try to remember to put some glue on. So let's start with this little guy here and see where this goes. It could go many ways. So you never know if when it's like when you're crafting, you get ideas, and I might have to even get up and grab something. So there's the little gingerbread man. See, I like how you can see the text from the recipe in the back. I haven't inked any of these, so I've been inking them just because I like the little border, the ink gives these, and so like a little frame, and I think that looks really nice on, but you don't have to. And plus this is a light piece of paper, so that is a factor. If you're dealing with a dark piece of paper background, ink might not do you any good because you won't even be able to see it unless you have a white or a light colored edge that you want to knock down, kind of cover up and make it blend in with the rest of your back or your base. So yeah, I just had the base I had was like a 3x5 card. Actually, I think it was about 3 1/4 by 5. I had to cut off a little piece on the bottom, and it was just out of my scrap box. And so I had to cover it up. I had to use 2 of these papery recipe cards, and so that's why I have a balance of 1 there. But so I ended up, tried to cut it evenly into the correct width, the 1.1 inches, and this is what I ended up with, these 5 little cards. So let me see. I have a little piece of fabric here. Let me look around on my desk here. I have prepared some baker's twine and some ribbon to add. I have my crocodile here. I have a little piece of this fabric, which we could add some of this. Let me see. I just now thought of this. That's why I was saying I might actually have to get up and get something, but I have this right here. So let's see what we can do with this real quick. And I have my scrap fabrics. Let's see. They're where are they? They're right beside me. So I do have those here. I have my yo-yos here in case I need them. My little mini yo-yos. But I thought this might be cute here, kind of to make a little cluster on top. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how these turn out. This has got a little fold on it, but I can probably unfold it when I glue it down. I think so. That could go there. I just want to see if I have any other little pieces of fabric here. Let me look around for a second. Let me grab my scrap box and see if I have something else I might like to add. Here it is. This is my my scrap fabrics. So let's see, I have other red gingham in here. Oh, I have some, this could be cute. It's a strip of muslin. That might be perfect. Let me move things around over here beside me. My yo-yos and my, yeah, this could be cute. Let's see how this might look. Little square of this. It's the same color, so I'm not sure, but it still is fabric. Yeah, that is cute. Okay, let's try it. Let me get a couple more pieces here. This may be my topper instead of the ribbon this time. Cool. I like thinking of something different to do, so let's try this here. And of course you can make as many layers and do whatever you want on these. This is an open collab hosted by Aaliyah the Peanut and Scrappy Lolly Paper Co. Let me get this situated here. Can be whenever. Okay, there we go. That looks nice. Okay, and so yeah, anyone can join in. They don't have any prompts. It's just whatever you want to do. That you know, each Monday for your mini moo card, and you don't have to do it every Monday. Just whenever you know, get the urge to make some mini moo cards. And yeah, they're just so fun and quick and easy that, and you can use up some of your scraps, fabric. As you can see, I'm using up fabric scraps and a scrap from my paper paper scrap box. Okay, so let's put some more decorations on here. I've got the gingerbread man, and then we'll glue these down and see where that goes. But gingerbread man, let's see what else I have here. I have a cute little cupcake. I think I would like to add that. And yeah, I had been gifted these by my son and daughter-in-law for Mother's Day, I think it was. So they gave me a few of these little sticker sheets that had the food related, you know, and recipe cookbook related stickers here. So they're super cute. I think they got them on Amazon. Okay, so what else is calling to me? I have another colored cupcake there. This one's got yellow frosting, and this one's got pink. These just fit on here so nicely, so why not use them, right? And there's a little box of, like, it looks like cake mix or something. I might use that one next. I think I will. All right. So cute, right? Okay, I'm trying to get it straight there. All right. And then the cake mix. And then we'll see what else. There's some cookies on here I'm looking at. I don't know if you can see it here. I've got you in pretty close, so let's see. Yeah, you can see it right here. This is my sticker sheet. So let's put glue on this one. Yeah, this looks like, it doesn't have any, does it have words? Oh, it does have a word, flower, I think it says. It's very light and yellow print, but it does say flower on there. I'm just trying to get this in the middle. But I thought these would be cute where you could see the recipe behind. I didn't want to cover it up too much, but I wanted to put a little decoration on here. So the cookies are right here. Got a couple little cookies. Let's see, there's a bottle of syrup or something there. Does it say syrup on it? I think it does. Maybe, just want to make sure. I'm not sure what this is. And, oh, oh, you know what? I think I'm going to use this little mixer. I didn't think it would fit, but I can cut off the tip here that's sticking out. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that mixer. Let me put the cookie back, because that will make more of an impact. You know what I mean? It's a bigger sticker. Okay. Put some on the little handle there, and a little mixing things here. Okay, and so we'll put that on here in a way that fits best, most of it on here. Okay, yeah, that is cute. Okay, and I love the little toppers. So let's do them for all of these because I just love that so much. So why not stick with it? Okay, so I need 2 more of these. See how quick it is? They come together. You can layer, like I said, make sure you go, if you're interested and you want more ideas, go over and watch. I'll have Aaliyah and Lolly linked below, their channels linked below, and you can go over there and get some more ideas. And they are both talented crafters, paper crafters, junk journal makers, and do all sorts of things. So yeah, just check out their channel if you haven't been over there, and give them a little love, crafty love, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And besides, get some great ideas, some great crafting ideas. Okay, so this is going to go like that. I'm going to glue those all together in a second. Let me cut off this. I'm just going to cut this little tip of the mixer off right here and be done with that sticker. And I think these are super cute. See, they're just like little tags or little journaling spots. Something little cute to stick in a journal or a happy mail. Or if you want to make them into tags, you put a little loop. You can still put a little loop even with this fabric on there. Punch a hole through all the layers and put a little ribbon on there. So let's see, I need a quick little dot of glue on each of these layers. So I'm going to put a dot here and put that on there. And then another dot on top of that, little circle of glue. And just add this little piece of, let me make sure how I want to do it. Yeah, something like that would be cute. Okay. And this is going to take the longest. Let me move all of these up and get a little assembly line going here. Assembly line of mini moo cards. So cute. So, yeah, if you start doing this, you'll be looking at things differently. So you'll start looking at all your tiny things and things that will fit on a mini moo card, right? That's what I've been doing. So, yeah, these are so cute. All right. So, okay, that can go like that. And here I go. I'm going to do this. You can mass make these very easily, actually. Couldn't you? Okay, so I've got all my glue on the first layer. So let's put all of these pieces down. Oops, get on there. And just get it going here. Before you know it, this could be a good TV craft too. If you watched our Susan and I's collab for mobile crafting, it's crafts you can do, on vacation or when you're watching TV, if you want to keep your hands busy and you want to get, some crafting done. This could be a fun little TV craft. And you could just make hundreds of these little mini moo cards, right? Okay, so a couple more bits of glue here. I'm just using the art glitter glue. You can use Fabri-Tac if you want. And this is not showing, the glue's not showing through or anything, so, and it's gluing this down just fine. These won't have any problem staying glued down with the art glitter glue. I use both on my fabric, just depends on what I'm doing. But there they are. I am going to say, let me see. Let me make sure. I don't want to put, because there's a couple little hearts on here. Let's see how they would look. Yeah, I think maybe I need a couple little hearts here. Oh, this would look cute on this cupcake. There's 2 little pink hearts here. And let's see. Yeah, 2 little pink hearts. Let's add those real quick. Might as well put as much as we want to on these little things, right? So use up my stickers. And so yeah, a couple little hearts I think would be cute on here. And I've got, let's see, I've got 2 more hearts. And I think that's all that will really fit on here. So 2 more hearts. I'll put like right here above the cupcake. It's the pink and the pink there. And then I've got 2 more hearts. So let me see where I might want to put those. Maybe on the other. Yeah, I think the cupcakes are calling for the hearts. That's so cute. I wish I had more of these. Super cute little addition. Let me make sure. Yeah, see, it just feels out of place on the others, but the cupcake, it just goes with the cupcakes for some reason. Because who doesn't love a cupcake, right? Okay. All right. I'm going to call these done. Let's see, do I need some glue here? Yeah, I see a little something here where maybe I didn't put enough glue on the edge there. There we go. All right, all fixed. I like to remove this when I'm done so you guys can see a little better. Let me put that over to the side. I've got my coffee here. It's morning, and when I'm making this video anyway, well, let me hold these a little bit closer for you so you can see them. They're so cute. I love the recipe in the background. This one says egg doublings, and it has some ingredients there and instructions, and just so adorable. Let me see if I can hold them up in a way that you guys can see them all. So aren't they adorable? I just love them. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, I would encourage you to just, if you don't have time, this is the great craft for just, if you have 10 or 15 minutes and that's all you have, like, if you work full time, like I do, you don't have a lot of time to craft, right? So in the morning before you leave for work, get your ingredients out, your whatever parts that you want to use, get them out somewhere, wherever you craft. Then in the morning, in the night, in the evening, or whenever you come home from work, you can be ready to make a few mini moo cards. That's what I do sometimes. Sometimes I'll get my stuff ready in the morning, and then when I come home, I'm ready to go. Just a little tip there. You probably let me know if you do the same thing. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, and happy crafting.